Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Discord account on PC. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell. There are two ways to create a Discord account on a PC. You can create an account via a browser or you can create one via the Discord app. So, without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open the Discord app on your laptop or PC. If you already have an account, you can log in by entering your Discord email and password, but if you want to create a new account, click Register. Now, fill in the registration form such as email, display name, password, date and birth. Okay, before we continue, I will first fill out all the registration forms. If everything is confirmed to be correct, click Continue. For security, confirm by checking the words I am human. Select the images that are most related to the given sample. And then click Verify. Now you have successfully created a Discord account on your PC. However, this Discord account has not been verified. So you have to verify it by opening the message in the email that you entered in the previous registration form. So here I will open a message from Discord that was sent to my email. This is the email, just open it then click Verify Email. It's all done. That's the tutorial on how to create a Discord account on PC. I hope this video will help you. Thank you.